The job of the white blood cells is to protect the body against disease. Clotting. Clotting is another way that the blood fights disease. Intact skin acts as a barrier against infection, and when it is cut, microbes can easily enter. Clotting stops the microbes from getting in, and it also prevents blood loss. Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes make chemicals called antibodies, which kill germs in 3 ways. They dissolve them. They make them stick together. They make antitoxins, which counteract the poison, toxins, released by the microorganisms. Once you have had a disease, the antibodies for that particular bacteria or virus stay in your blood, and you become immune to the disease. Phagocytes. Phagocytes engulf microbes. They then digest them and destroy them.